everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a wonderful starter snack recipe with you guys. These are bread rolls. They're really simple to make and they're very tasty. So let's get started and check it out. So first I'm just going to make a coarse mixture of the bread slices. For this I've taken 6 large bread slices. I've just cut off the edges. So I'm just going to pulse this a few times. Transfer the coarse bread mixture into a bowl. To this I'm adding 3 medium-sized potatoes that have been boiled and just roughly mashed up. Next I'm adding 1 medium-sized onion that's been finely chopped. I'm adding a combination of red and green capsicum that's been finely chopped. Next add 1 medium-sized carrot that's been finely grated, 2 green chilies that's been de-seeded and finely chopped. Now let's add some spice powders to this, starting with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon finely ground chili flakes. I've made a video on how to make these homemade chili flakes. I'll give you the link in the description. You can check it out. Next add 1.5 teaspoons of chaat masala powder, half teaspoon pepper and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Finally add a handful of chopped coriander leaves. So now I've added all the ingredients that goes into making this bread roll mixture. So just mix everything together till it's all well combined. So you can adjust the quantity of potato and bread accordingly. I'm just mixing it like how you knead the chapati dough. Rubbing a little bit oil on your palms will be easier to shape the mixture. Take a little bit of the mixture, just shape it into small rolls like that. Next, to make the corn flour slurry, to a bowl I've taken 3 teaspoons of corn flour. Just pour a little water. You can see it's not too thin or too thick. Just add a few breadcrumbs to another plate. We need to roll the bread rolls onto the breadcrumbs. So I've made a video on how to make your own homemade breadcrumbs. I'll give you a link in the description. You can check that out and make your own breadcrumbs at home. To coat the bread rolls, first dip it into the corn flour slurry. Remove it from the slurry. Roll it onto the breadcrumbs. Make sure the rolls are completely covered with the breadcrumbs. Coat all the bread rolls in this manner and keep them aside. Pour enough oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, maintain the flame on medium. Gently drop in the bread rolls. Deep fry the bread rolls in batches of 3. Once they turn to a lovely golden brown color, remove from the hot oil and keep it aside. You can serve these delicious and crispy bread rolls nice and hot with any dip of your choice. This makes for a great starter snack. It's time to taste these yummy bread rolls. Well, I'm just going to enjoy it with a little bit of ketchup. It's just a perfect snack. You can make it for evening tea or for any parties or get-togethers, and it is so yummy. So you can see it's really simple to make these delicious and crispy bread rolls. It makes for a great party snack. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.